Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Every asset we rely on, from power plants to water pipelines, has an environmental footprint. When managed poorly, these assets waste resources, pollute the environment and drain public funds. But when managed wisely, they can become powerful drivers of sustainability. This is where ISO 55001, the international standard for asset management, plays a vital role. It transforms infrastructure into tools for building a greener, more resilient future. This session explores how ISO 55001 supports global sustainability goals and why green asset management is the key to a greener tomorrow. Why sustainability needs asset management? Sustainability is often associated with renewable energy, carbon reduction, or conservation programs. But in reality, much of sustainability depends on how assets are managed. A leaking water pipeline doesn't just waste money, it wastes millions of liters of precious water. A poorly maintained power plant releases far more emissions than necessary. An inefficient metro system consumes more energy while offering unreliable service. These examples show that sustainability is not about new initiatives, but also about maintaining and optimizing the infrastructure we already have. Understanding ISO 55001, more than efficiency. ISO 55001 is the global standard for managing assets throughout their entire life cycle. From acquisition to retirement, it helps organizations maximize value, minimize risk, and ensure accountability. Its principles include life cycle management, risk-based planning, value creation, and transparency. When applied to sustainability, ISO 55001 ensures that every stage of an asset's life contributes positively to environmental, social, and economic goals. In short, we can say that it connects the dots between efficiency, resilience, and sustainability. ISO 55001 and the triple bottom line. ISO 55001 aligns directly with the triple bottom line: planet, people, and profit. Environmental sustainability. By reducing leaks, emissions, and waste, organizations cut their environmental impact. Water utilities applying ISO 55001 save millions of liters of water annually, while renewable energy plants extend the life of wind turbines, producing clean power more reliably. Social responsibility. Reliable infrastructure means safer, healthier communities. A metro system with a structured maintenance, for example, not only avoids breakdowns but also provides affordable, eco-friendly public transport that improves citizens' quality of life. Economic sustainability. ISO 55001 saves money by extending asset life, reducing emergency repairs, and ensuring better returns on investment. Cities and companies using this approach stretch budgets further and reduce long-term costs while protecting the environment. The future of asset management and sustainability. The next chapter of sustainability will be written at the intersection of technology, finance, and asset management. With AI, IoT, and digital twins, organizations can now monitor assets in real time, predict failures, and optimize energy consumption. ISO 55001 provides the governance structure to act on these insights responsibly. Climate change is forcing governments and companies to rethink resilience, and investors are demanding accountability in environmental performance. In this environment, ISO 55001 is becoming a critical tool for sustainable growth and climate adaptation. A greener future is not built by chance but by design. Every well-managed water pipeline saves resources, every efficient metro reduces emissions, and every long-lasting wind turbine powers communities sustainably. ISO 55001 ensures that assets are not just cost but contributors to environmental and financial strength. By aligning asset management with sustainability goals, organizations protect both infrastructure and the planet. The message is simple: green assets create a greener future, and ISO 55001 is the standard that makes it possible. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.